welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we're making fish tacos. You guys are in for a beautiful treat. So what we have here is 1.5 pounds of cod. I'm going to be marinating the fish with 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper. Because it's a small amount of fish, so I'm not putting too much of the seasoning into it. We don't want to overpower the fish with so much seasoning. So we like it light, especially my husband. So I also have a fresh lime that I want to be squeezing in. That's perfect. Nice, beautiful smell, and the flavor of the citrus is awesome. I'm just going to turn it over to make sure the flavor goes on both sides. Now let's try and see. The salt is perfect. Guys, let's go over the rest of the ingredients. The fish is marinated. I'm going to let it sit there for a few minutes. So we have here a few tortillas that we're going to be using, flour tortillas. So we have here about 80 grams of mixed greens, so which is what we like. We like to always have that at home. That's the salad that we like to eat, and that's what I'm going to be putting in the tacos. And I have about 40 grams of cheese, mozzarella cheese over here. We also have sour cream. I didn't make the guacamole today, but I'm going to use the squeezed guacamole, which is very good. I like this brand. And what I did was I made my own Pico de Gallo with extra flavor and lime juice, so that would boost the flavor of that guacamole, because it doesn't seem to have too much flavor to it. So what I did already put here about 15 grams of onion, red onion. I have about 20 grams of tomato, and we also have about, I would say, 10 grams of cilantro. And then I put salt and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper. I also squeezed 1/2 of a lemon into it, and this is what we got. One thing I'm going to be doing is putting French fries into the tacos. I'm not putting it on the side. I'm going to put it in the tacos. So that's going to be cool, and it's going to be a surprise for my husband. He loves French fries, and that's the way to incorporate it. So guys, let's go ahead and put this dish together. Okay guys, let's go ahead and pour about 1/2 cup of oil. I have vegetable oil here for this dish. I'm going to put the heat on medium high. The French fries are done. Guys, this is the beautiful step because it helps the fish to stay dry and crispy on the outside and moist and tender inside. So this is flour, so we need to you can do it without the flour, but it's not going to be as crispy as if you do it this way. One thing I'm going to do is to put the tortillas. I'm going to go ahead and put the tortillas in the microwave for about 20 seconds just to warm them up. You can either put it in the microwave or in the oven. You can actually put it on the grill. It's up to you, but you don't want them to get too crispy and toasty, so you want them nice and soft. Guys, let's go ahead and put this beautiful dish together. This is awesome. What a surprise for my husband when he bite into this and find his favorite food in his tacos. That's perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and kind of break the fish into it. Guys, look how fresh that fish look. Okay guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to place this on a taco holder. This is just awesome. Sour cream. Okay, a little extra fish before we put the cheese, just for taste on the top. Guys, the guacamole didn't impress me. The way when I squeezed it, it was coming out too heavy, too much, and I didn't like it. So I definitely will not buy this again. And I will make sure I make my own next time. Sorry about that. So let's go ahead and finish putting this dish together. A little cheese. Hey guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. Look at that. Look at the fish. Oh wow, it's just beautiful. So let's go ahead and try it. Mm, 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 mm. Wow, perfect. This came out so nice, so crispy with the fish and the French fries inside, and then the softener of the guacamole and the sour cream. Guys, it's awesome. I recommend you to try it. Fish and fries tacos. I hope you guys try it. I hope you like it and you enjoy it and love it as much as we are. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you please leave your comments on the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos, and definitely will help my channel grow, and it will help. Your support will help a lot. Thank you so much. God bless.